Hey, hello guys. My name is Pablo Stanley, and I'm going to be guiding you through this section where we're going to be focusing on visual design principles. On our first lecture, we're going to be talking about UI design best practices. So let's do this. Okay, real quick, let's go over the elements of design. The elements of design are line, shape, direction, size, texture, and color. Line refers to the linear marks made with a pen or brush, or the edge created when two shapes meet. Shape is a self-contained defined area of geometric, like squares and circles, or organic, like free-form shapes or natural shapes. A positive shape automatically creates a negative shape, so be mindful of that. Regarding direction, all lines have a direction: horizontal, vertical, or oblique. Horizontal suggests calmness, stability, and tranquility. Vertical gives a feeling of balance, formality, alertness. Oblique suggests movement and action. Regarding size is simply the relationship of the area occupied by one shape to that of another. Texture is the surface quality of a shape, so it can be rough, smooth, soft, hard, glossy, you name it. Color is light reflected off objects, so color has three main characteristics: the hue, or its name, like red, green, blue, yellow, etc. The value, how much light or how dark it is. And intensity, so you know how bright it is. So it's hue, saturation, and brightness.